Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be pressure washing the engine bay of the Miata, and we're gonna be taking it from looking like this to looking like this. So as you can see, big difference. Stick around to see how we clean it. There's so much gunk that we take out of the car. So the pressure washer I got is just a Simone's one, 1900 PSI. We're gonna be using super clean degreaser to, degrease the engine bay. And then I got some cleaning supplies, like detailing supplies, so we're gonna be using those as well. The homie tray just pulled up to help around. It's good, bruh.
What up?
Man's put the 350 on the Cosmos. The white looks sick. I'll show you guys more of that car after. This is what the engine bay looks like right now. Super filthy, oil and grease and I don't know, all kind of debris and gunk everywhere. So that's what I want to clean. First we're gonna vacuum it because there's a lot of leaves and stuff inside on this side as well. Alright guys, got the pressure washer going. Now we're gonna rinse the car or the engine bay. Good luck to me. Alright guys, now we got this degreaser right here. We're gonna use this. Some progress. I'm getting a lot of the gunk out from the firewall. There's still a little bit left, but as you guys can see, cleaning up nice. So I took off the intake and stuff so we can get a little bit more into the engine bay, so that's where the intake was, and as you guys can see, there's so much oil and grease or whatever it is over there all the way down. So that's today's goal, is to clean all that. Here is what the other side looks like. You know, it's a little bit more cleaner because we went into it before. I'm not too worried about cleaning all of it, because eventually if I do end up changing all these wires and stuff, we can always clean it underneath there. It's gonna be a little bit hard to get right now. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll just zoom in, try to focus. Yeah, there we go. So all that gunk under the wires, not sure if I can get to it today, but we'll see. And here's the intake. So from the top, it's pretty clean because that's what we did before. But from the back here, it's a lot dirty underneath. From here as well, super dirty. So I'm gonna clean that as well today, and then we'll put it back in the engine bay and see how it looks. I've sealed up the throttle body with a zip tie and a zipper bag, so this should be good. And the mass sensor, I put it also in a zip bag and put it here, so hopefully the water won't reach here and we should be good. So first, we're just gonna rinse the grease a little bit so it kind of eases up. Already so much better. Yeah, damn. Well, the wire brush was not a good idea because it's dripping the paint a little bit. So I'm gonna clean this with a microfiber. Alright guys, so I got most of the gunk out. Even from here, that's just rusted because of the water being there. It's a common problem in Miatas, but other than that, it's looking pretty clean. The spark plug wires I'm not worried about because I ordered new ones, so they should be coming here next week, so we're gonna replace that anyways. Okay, so even here, as you guys can see before, it was a lot dirtier. It's still a little bit dirty, but I couldn't get my hand in there, so we gotta remove all these wires to clean it, which I'm not doing today. Now I'm gonna clean the air intake and all the piping that connects to it. So we're gonna take apart the intake and clean it properly. So I'm just taking off the screws, which don't want to come out.
See the bottom of that when you remove the filter.
That's pretty. We just finished cleaning the engine bay. Looks so much more cleaner. Most of the gunk is out. Thank you for watching. If you like the engine bay cleaning, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. It helps the channel a lot. I'm gonna be coming out with a lot of Miata videos, so you guys don't want to miss it. So if you guys want to turn on notifications as well, and yeah, hit the subscribe button. Let me know in the comments how you like the engine bay. Did I clean it properly, or did I just do a half-ass job? Let me know down in the comments. See you guys in the next video. Peace.